Yeah, so like every morning I wake up and I just plan on parking in spot 69. And like, it just really keeps me in my vibe. Like, yeah, I park there and then I get out and walk to school. So this Wednesday, I rolled up to school and Shane was there. His two-door Jeep was in the spot. And I was like, what the fudge am I gonna do? Yo, Shane.
Yo, bro, how's it going?
I mean, it was chilling before I saw 69 was taken.
Don't you have like a senior lot spot though?
Nah, bruh. I've been parking here for 4 years. Even my dad, when he dropped me off, he pulled in spot 69 because that's how he rolled when he was a kid.
Chill out. It's like 8 in the morning. Oh my God. Grace, you will never believe it right now. Gunnar and Shane are throwing hands in the junior lot. Oh my God. Boys, stop. Guys, seriously, chill out. Like, it's too early for this. Stop throwing hands. It's really uncool. So I pull into the stadium lot and I see Gunnar and Shane about to throw hands. It was insane.
69 supplies.
Yo! Oh my God!
Yo, what, dude?
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you
like
kidding
actually?
me?
Actually? Are
Like,
you
are
kidding
you
me right
actually
now?
kidding me?
No.
Dude,
I'm done. Over it. I'm over it, bro.
That's my spot.
Hey yo, I'm over it.
That's my spot.
Yeah, I was planning on asking Tally next week.
Whoa, what do you think you're doing? That's my pen.
Well, why was it on the ground?
Because I dropped it and I forgot to pick it up.
All right, fine. Well, I mean, there's definitely a chance that it's Britt's pencil, considering I found it exactly where he said he left it. But if he wanted it that badly, he shouldn't have lost it in the first place.
What'd you do that for?
What do you mean?
Why'd you drop my favorite pen?
Well, if you want it, you can get it.
Bible, I gave my lucky pen to Britt like 3 months ago and I never got it back. And when I saw Drew throw it down the hallway, I went from lightweight flustered to high-key irked.
You guys gonna move or what?
Ladies first.
What is this kid thinking?
I said ladies first. Head.
Oh yeah!
There it is. They need to step off. Do they know who I am? I will dominate them in every aspect of life, whether it's physical, mental, emotional. Physical, emotional. Did I say that already? Because it will happen. I mean it. I'm pissed. I'm furious. I'll kill him. What'd you just say to me? Little man?
Who do you think you're talking to?
What are you gonna do about it?
It's okay.
We're just trying to get some fruit snacks. Why you guys gotta be in our way? You gotta be at least this tall to get through.
Oh yeah?
How's that promise ring treating you, bud?
Looks like you've been saved by the bell.
Yo, what's up, guys?
What's up? Why'd you guys get all mega silent?
Chill.
Bro, what?
You heard me. Pipe it down. You're actually being super whack right now.
Gavin, what the frick is going on?
You didn't retwizzle my shizzle last night, brother. Yeah, I mean, you guys probably see me on the feed, social media, putting out tweets at Gavin Durham. I mean, kids just come up to me in the hallways like, yo, Gav, nice tweet last night. Like, that was freaking hilarious. I'm like, thanks, like, stay tuned in. I've gathered like a following. It's like spread to other Interact schools too. I've been getting texts from people. It's cute. I've got a nice little fan club, so.
So I wasn't really vibing with the socials. The one night I don't do that, I find out the next day about this tweet from Gav.
Totally could have slapped that bell icon.
Look at the tweet. I'm checking it out. Gav, you're taking my sister to prom?
I don't get this guy. Like, what's his deal? He should be stoked for me. He should be stoked for his sister. Like, if he really was a good brother, he would want Tally to go to prom with a guy like me. Like, come on.
I mean, it's great that like Gavin has a date and all. She's an incredible girl. He should make the most of that night.
Get out of here. Bro, I was freaking out. Like, what the frick, Gav? Is that a frickin' joke, bro?
Did you all hear what happened between Gavin and Wills yesterday?
Gav, are you frickin' for real, bro? Take my sister to prom, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Take a chill pill, brother. Chew it.
Get off me.
Don't push me. Don't push me.
Yeah, I mean, wild. Is Gavin still going with Tally now that Wills is upset? Or does she not have a date anymore? Can someone get back to me on that?
Coming up, Britt attempts to get Jimmy Butler's autograph. Gunnar thinks that Drew stole his car keys, and an old friend comes back to school. Next time on The Real Life at GA.
On like, we were on the bus.
To a lacrosse game.
We had a trophy competition. It was coming.
His head was shaking back.
All right, so I think you're doing affirmative